Hey everyone, creating landing page that actually converts visitor into leads, subscribers or customers, that can feel tricky if you are new to website building. Maybe you want to promote a course, a product to sell, or get people to sign up for your newsletter. A well-designed landing page can make a huge difference in your results. That's why today we are going to explore Wix, a popular website builder, and I will show you step by step way how to build landing pages that look professional and drive conversions. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you create tools that make your work easier. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel, and also don't forget to check the link from description if you want to try Wix. By using the description link, any free trial or a special offer that will be applied automatically. Now let's come to the main part of the video. But before that, let's first talk about the Wix. Wix is a drag and drop website builder that allows anyone, even without technical skills, to create professional websites or landing pages. It provides template, pre-made sections, and a visual editor. That makes it easy to customize every detail. Unlike coding a website from scratch, Wix lets you focus on design and content, so your pages look great and work on any devices. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's start the tutorial. First of all, go to wix.com, or I will suggest you to use the link from description to get the direct access to the one page builder or the landing page builder of Wix. So once you are here, then you just need to select any template, or if you are here on the home page, then you just need to click on this create. Now go to website templates. So once you are here, just click on this type and go to one page. Basically, landing page is the one page website where your product or your service is the main part of the web page. So click on the one page, and here you can see all of the landing page or the one page. So just choose one that you like. In my opinion, your first step should be choosing the right template. Wix offers a wide variety of landing page template designed for the specific goals like product launch, newsletter, webinar, or service promotions. So you can filter out the thing and you can get the perfect template that is mostly aligned with your business or your needs. Let's say I want to build a email list for my newsletter. So I just love this one page, a minimal, simple landing page. So what I will do, I just click on this edit this site. And after that, I just need to log in my account. Or if you don't have any account, just click on this sign up and just create your account. Since I have my account, I will go log in. I will use the Google to log in my account. Now it will redirect me to the Wix editor page. The editor is very intuitive. You can just click on any element, text, images, buttons, or forms, and you can move it, you can resize it, or if you want, then you can change it instantly. For example, if your goal is to collect email address that is mine in this landing page, you can just drag a sign up form to a prominent position. Let's say I don't want here the subscribe, I want to add a form here. Let's increase this size. Now I will click on this add element. Now you can explore all of this option. There are a lot of elements available under the Wix editor. Now just go to the contact and forms. Now under this form, you have contact form, order, inquiry, scheduling, registration, and many more. Let's say I want to add a registration form for the sign up. So I will just click on this, and you can see there are some options available. So I will just hold it and just drag and drop down it here. But there is another option which is more easy, and that is just click on this and you will see there are pre-made section available. So let's say if I want to add a sign up form, just scroll down and you can see the form, and here it is. So let's say I want to add this one, so I will just hold it, drag and drop it here. Now if you want to change text, you can just double click on it, select all of the text and write your own text. Let's say I want to delete this column, just click on this manage column. You can see there is two columns, so select the column This is column 1, this is column 2. So select your column and click on the delete. Now let's say I want to change this text. Just double click on this. You can see the text style is heading 1, 2, 3 or paragraph. So I will go with the heading 2. You can change the font. I will select a bold font, Helvetica bold. Let's close this and let's change the text. So after that, if you want to change the image, you can do that. Just click on this. You can see change image. So just click on this. Now just upload the file from your storage. Now you can click on this upload your computer, or if you want to upload from your Facebook, Instagram or Drive, you can do that. And after that, you can see all the media here and you can just set the image. Now let's say you want to change this button. So just click on this. If you want to change the text, just double click and then you can change the text. Then you can control the link for this button, or if you want to change the color to match your brand, just click on this paint icon. You have some options that are already pre-built, or if you don't like this template, then you can click on this custom design to design this button as you want. So you can change color and opacity. Then you can change the border, corner, shadow. You can change the color of the font, I mean the text. Then you can add animation on this button. So just click on this animation icon and you can, let's say I want to give an animation. Then you can see there is some text with the link and that's all are fixed. So how you can delete that? Just take your mouse here and click on right, delete. Same thing goes here. Now our editing is complete. Now let's move to the header and footer section. Now let's change the logo. Just click on this. It is a text as a logo. Just click on right, click on delete. Now on this column, click on this change header design and you get all of these options, the color, opacity, corner, shadow and all of these things. So that was the design part. Now let's add the logo here. Click on this add element, go to the image, then you can see the logo. Then you have the logo, custom logo. Just click on this custom logo. Now place it here. If you don't have any logo and you want to create a logo by the help of Wix AI, then you can click on this logo design, click on this design my logo, and it will be redirect you to the AI. Now give some detail about your business and your preferences or theme. It will create a logo for you. Or if you have your logo, then how you can do that? Just click on this add element, go to image, upload and import. You can see all of your media here. Just drag and drop it here. Now let's fix the position and size. And this is how you can create a landing page on Wix. Now if you don't want to do it manually, you can use the Wix AI. Just click on this Wix AI icon, then just select the section. Now describe what you want here and click on this generate. It will create for you. So after changing text, changing image and subtext or paragraph text and doing all of this, just click on this save. Basically Wix save it automatically, but again click on this save to change your URL here and then click on this save and continue. Now close this. Now just clicking publish, and then if I show you the page, the landing page is published or live right now. Wix handles the hosting, SSL, certificates for security and even SEO basics. So you don't have to worry about technical setup. You just focus on the content, design and call to action. Now it is important to note that while Wix makes creating landing page very easy, the key to converting visitors is not just design. You need a clear goal, like compiling the headline, persuasive copy, a strong call to action and trust signal like testimonials or guarantees. Wix provides the tools, but your strategy drives the result. So in simple terms, Wix is a beginner-friendly, versatile platform for building the landing pages that look great and convert. With its drag and drop feature, automatic mobile optimization, oh yeah, that's the thing, we didn't talk about it. You can see all of the template from Wix, that's all are automatically responsive for the mobile devices. So by focusing on audience and using the Wix features smartly, you can improve your lead, sales, and engagement. So that's it basically. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this Wix landing page tutorial helped you to understand how to build pages that convert, even if you are just starting out. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description to get access to the Wix and with any special offer. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.